So, welcome to this training. So, in this class, I'm going to be talking about our templates, elements, and graphics in our video. So, we'll be using templates in this video. So, let's select this screen plus icon. So, then I'm going to scroll over and select design. So, there are already pre-made video designs for that Canva has already prepared for us. So, let's say we are creating a particular video under let's talk about skincare or beauty. So I'm just going to go over and select skincare. I'm going to type skincare. Sorry, skincare. So I'm going to search. So as you can see now, Canva has given us templates that we can use. We made templates that we can use. So what I'm just going to do is to select the one that I would like to use. Okay, so let me go with this one. As you can see, this one has 3 pages. That's 3 pages. So if I want to apply the all 3 pages, I can apply. If I need a particular page from it, I can go over and do the same too. So for now, let me apply all 3 pages. So as you can see now, let me go over and play it. You can see. So now let's say we are talking about our product now, your skincare product. You will need this template to add your own design to it. So let's say the name of your brand is okay, let's change the name of your brand product. Let's say the name of your brand product is Bright Skincare, and I'm going to type Bright Skincare. As you can see now, we've changed the name, and this particular part we can change the picture that is there by selecting it. So I've selected this part. I'm going to select on group, and I can select only the, it has frame and it has images, but I want to remove the image and put a video of our product or picture, whatever you want to use to represent your product. So I'm just going to select the picture again and select replace. So you look for, okay, so now you look for the picture or video of your particular product, but I don't have, so I can go to videos. Canva has options for stock videos, stock pictures, and you know what stock videos are. There are free videos that you can use, but it's both for free and pro users. So if you are pro, you'll be able to use more of this, but though there are some videos available for free users. So let me just type skincare. So okay, let me take this product for instance. You can use your own product. It's not necessary you use stock footages. So here I want to change this one. I'll have to ungroup it from the background, so I'm going to select it again and replace. So I'm going to go over and select, okay, let's say I want to show a person's face here. So you can add whatever you want to add. So for this first page now, it's 13 seconds, which is too long. I'll just split it here in the middle, split. Then I'm deleting the second section. So now let's say I want to change the color. This is not the color of my brand. I want to change it. You have to select this. You can see now this particular graphic say has a color. So go over and okay. Okay, so let's say I want to play the video now. As you can see, this particular first page has laid out. Then we have another page too again. Then we have the last page. So what you do is you are going to do the same for the rest of the pages. So you are going to edit it by selecting like this. Now these ones, they are together, so you can ungroup them. There you can select each of them to edit it. So you can, whatever it is you want to talk about in your own products, you just select the edit button, then you type in what you want to type, you delete this one and type what you want to type. So let's say I want to type easy to use. Okay, as you can see, you can use this option, this arrow here, drag it. If I want to move it to this side, I can drag it. If I want to move it back, I can drag it. So let me go over and type easy to use. Easy to use. So as you can see, it is already there. You can decide to change the color of the text. Change the color to brown or whatever you want to change it to. So, and also I can change the color of the photos we have. As those brushes, those graphics we have, you can change it to your brand color simply by changing it here. You can do all of that here. You can do that here. So you just have to select the color you want, and that's it. So as for the third part of the page, so if you want to add more page that represents your, describe what you're talking about, you can go over also to add any of these templates, any of this one you want to use. So let's say this one, for instance, I want to add this one. What I'll do first of all is that I won't add it here yet. I'll select add a new page, then move to this side, so that I'm going to be able to replace it with this one. Because if I add it here without creating a new page, this one automatically deletes and that one will appear. So what I'll do now is I'll scroll to this side back and I'll select add, and I'll touch this particular page I want to add. So I'm going to select now I'm going to select add as a new page. So as you can see now, it is here already, and that new page I added as removed. Okay, let me just delete this one. Okay, so as you can see now, you can also here edit. You can see now, look at this object, this particular product size here. You can change it to your product. Let's say you want to, can you also create another video from this again. So what I want to do now is I can change, okay, let's say protect your skin with bright skincare. With bright skincare. Then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to change the product. So I'm going to select, after selecting the product, I select replace, and I'm going to look for a video or picture. Picture of our product. But for now I don't have a picture of our product. Okay, let me go over to Google and download a particular product's picture. So I'm going to show you how to effectively add it. So you select, okay, let me type skincare products. So as for me, because I don't have a picture of a skincare product, so I'm searching for Google. So all you need to do is to snap a picture of your own product. You snap a picture of your own product, and I'm going to show you what to do with it. So I'm just using this one for explanation purpose. Skincare product, I just need one. Okay, like this one is just one. So what I'm going to do is, okay, I want something like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select download. So let's say this is the image of your own product that you have snapped. It doesn't have to have white background like this. It can be anyhow. Like it can also have any color of background. You can snap it on top of your table. You understand? So what you do next is to just come and search for BG remove. Just type BG remove in Google. you're going to see this background, this remove background website. Select it. Then you upload that image that you want to remove the background. See this particular image, you are going to remove the background so that we'll be able to use it in our Canva. So we select download. So as you can see, it has been downloaded. So go over to our Canva back, then we'll replace it with this one, images. So as you can see now, it is two. This was the one we previously downloaded from Google, and this was when we lastly changed the background. So I'm going to select the one that will remove the background. As you can see, this one has a white background. We can't use it on the video, so let's use this one instead. As you can see, it has changed. So we now have a nice, as you can see the movement of the product. So if I want to change the movements, you can see it's having a little movement. You can edit it. So let's say I want it to appear more brighter. I'm going to select adjust and auto adjust. It will automatically help me edit it. As you can see, it's looking more brighter and clearer now. So I can also go to the transparency to reduce how transparent or how visible it is, but I want it to be at 100. So then if you want to edit the movement, you see here, because there is already an animation to it, that's why the name of the animation is tectonic. If not, if there was no animation, it won't move and it won't be showing tectonic. It will show animate. So let's go over and click the tectonic. You can change it to stomp. As you can see, it has changed. That was not how it was before. This was how it was before. So if there was no previous animation, you can add any previous animation to your video. So this gets one frame now. I don't want it. I can just delete it and delete the frame too. I can decide to put another product here again, or maybe I want to put a smaller one. I'll just go over, upload. I can add the picture again. I'll just reduce the size. I'll reduce the size and drag it here. As you can see, we are already creating an advert. As you can see, as you can see, as you can see. So if you want that one to second one to move to, you select it, come over to animate, then you select the tectonic. As you can see, two of them are moving together. See how lovely it's looking. So, and also if you want to see, like you can see now in this particular template, we have a video. We have a video in the that's in this phone particular graphics. This particular phone is called the graphics. This phone here, as you can see, there's a video playing in it. How do you achieve that? So let me delete it and show you how to create something like that. Delete frame. So let's say you are trying to edit. Okay, let's say we want the phone. I want to create a phone here now. How do we do that? So okay, so now we are about to add a phone frame to this video, to this particular page. So what I'm going to do is to select the plus icon and search for phone. In this place, I'm going to search for phone. That is under elements, not design. It has to be under elements this time. So I'm going to search phone. I'm going to type phone, and as you can see now, under frames we have different kind of phones. So let me select the iPhone. As you can see now, mind you, you won't select the one from photos. As you can see, this one are just photos. You won't be able to do anything with these ones, but it has to be a frame for you to be able to use it to add a video or whatever it is you are explaining. So as you can see, this one has a photo symbol. That means you can add a photo to it. So if you want to add a photo to it, what do we do? You select add icon, your plus icon, then you go over to photo or video. You want to add a video to it. So let's say you have a video on your phone, you just go over to upload, then you look for a video. Okay, videos. Okay, let me use this video. Then what I'll do is I'm going to track the video inside the screen. As you can see now, it's showing inside the screen. Then I release it. Yes, you can see now the video is now being played inside the screen. And if I want to add animation to this phone, I want it to move. What do? I select it, scroll to the side, look for animate, and select the animation I want. I want it to move. As you can see, that's an animation. So let me go over and edit it. You can crop it, you can zoom it, you can do whatever it is you want to do with it, provided it match your design and what you want to use it for. So that's it. So whatever products you have, okay, now I have some product images that I've previously used. You can simply touch it and to appear on our video because I removed the background. But you can see that this project is looking dark. I want to lighten it up. What do? I'm going to select adjust and auto adjust. As you can see, it has already brightened. You can increase the intensity. As you can see, this wonderful feature is now looking newer. That's a wonderful feature CapCut has given us. Canva has given us. So you can look at how beautiful it is. So whenever you play your video, if it is not animated, you can decide to animate it. So, and I've showed you how to add sound to your video. You can add whatever sound you want to add. So now let me go over and delete all these templates and import another template. So delete. So let's talk about health, or let me type digital marketing. So let's say you want to create a video for a digital marketing agency. So it's very simple. You just look for the templates that you like. You look for the template that suits your design. So here we have many videos templates. Looking for the one I like. Okay, so I think I like this one. Let me select this one. So as you can see now, you can edit this now to select. Okay, let me just wait for it to load. Okay, so here is it now. Let's say I want to change this background video to the people I want to use. I'm going to select replace videos, and whatever video I have. Okay, I don't have a video that can match that, so okay, let me look for a video. Okay, I can just use stock footages. I select video and search digital marketing. So you can also use, don't mind because I'm using the stock footages, you can use any video on your phone. So you can select the one you want to use here. Okay, let me use this one for instance. As you can see, it has changed now. As you can see, it has changed. So what you simply need to do now is to edit the phone number. Now after you've okay, maybe you automatically recorded your video you want to record previously on your phone. After importing it now, you make sure you change the phone number, then you change the write-up for the digital marketing agency you are creating video for. Or if you are the owner of the digital marketing agency, you change everything, add a website, and also you make sure you add a background sound. And to add a background sound, it's simple, just select the plus icon, then you scroll over to elements, then you search for background, search for background. Let me search for adverts, background music. Adverts, background music. Then I'm going to search for that. Then I'm going to select audio. So as you can see, you have varieties of sounds to add. So you can just add whatever one you want to use by selecting it. As you can see, it has been added successfully on the timeline. It's now in our timeline. So, and let's say, so when you add a background sound, what you want to do is you are going to reduce it. You reduce this volume. Why am I reducing it? So that it will not overshadow the sound. As okay, if it's a talking video, you have to reduce, but if it's not a talking video, you can leave it. So now I want this to be a talking video. How do I add speech to this video? You select plus, then you come to upload, then select audio. So now in this place you can choose to record your audio by yourself, or you can choose to upload. So let's say I've recorded an audio before on my phone, that I've recorded an audio in my sound recorder. You can just come here. Every phone has this feature. You record the sound you want to record, then you come here and upload it. Talking about your digital marketing agency, then when you've uploaded it successfully, it's going to appear here. So then you can add whatever video you want to add. If you want to add one more page that's showing just your digital marketing agency, you can select here, select replace, then under your video section, just go over and select the video. So here, as you can see, you can also add our transition. So now let's see how it plays out. So you can go over, don't forget you can add your sound, that means your desired sound that is talking about whatever, that is your voice, your voice, that's your voiceover that's explaining what your digital marketing agency or whatever your advert is for is about. And if you want to export your video, that means you want to download your video on your phone, you select this icon at the top. When you select it, you select download. So you leave the quality as 1080 by 1080, then you select download. As you can see, it's already downloading. So you are just going to wait for it to download finish. After it has downloaded successfully, you go over to your gallery, and you are going to see it in your files. So let's just wait for it to download. Okay, so after downloading your video, I've showed you how to download your video, and let me show you a couple of things you can also do. So in this digital marketing agency text now, as you can see, we have a combination of blue and yellow. So you can see now this yellow line, if you want to remove it or you want to change the position, you can move it. You can move everything in this video, you can move them. This particular blue shadow text here, this shadow background here, is called a graphics. It's an element, you can move it. As you can see, it is added there to make it look more fancy. So if you want to change everything in this background to red now, let's see, the color of my brand is not blue and yellow. We start from changing the graphics from color blue to red, or let's say, yes, you can change it from blue to red. Change it here. As you can see now, it has changed. You go over and select this one, change the color from blue to red, select this one, change the color from blue to red. As you can see, you can select any, and if you want to add a particular graphics, so it's a particular frame. So now let me show you how to add a frame. You select elements, then search for frame. When you search, you are going to see a lot of frames. So let me search under frame. As you can see, we have different design of frame. You have a frame of a computer screen. So if you want to have a computer screen, so you can select this one now and reduce the size and display whatever you want to display in it by simply clicking the plus icon. Go to video or picture. Okay, let me use video for instance, and let me add this particular video to it. So I'll just drag it into the computer screen, and that is it. So maybe the video in the computer screen might be talking about the digital marketing agency. So as you can see, you have learned a lot from this Canva video editing software. So as you can see, all of these are stock footages, but you can use your desired pictures and whatever. So if I don't also want to use white people, I can go over and search for videos. So if I don't want to use white people in the video, I can search black people, okay, let me say black people sitting in office. You can still search that, black people in office. So maybe if you are more of an African kind of business, you search that, then you go to videos. Under videos, as you can see, we still have that. It's going to give you the options. Okay, so let me use this one. For instance, let's say I want to change this video now to that one. I'm going to select this one, select replace, and I'm going to go back to videos, and I'm going to select, okay, let me select see all, and I'm going to select the one I used earlier, as you can see. So our video is now here. So now I've taught you how to add a frame, a graphics, and elements, and what else? Let me check. As for graphics now, your graphics can be whatever you want to show. Let me add a new, for instance. Now let's say it's a new, let me search new. So as you can see, the new symbol is showing now. This is the graphics. So I go over and select it. That's the graphics. So whatever you want, you have the option to take it from this Canva and export your video, and you find your video in your gallery. So let me wait for it to download. And mind you, if you're using the pro version, it's advisable you, if you're using the free version, it's advisable you stay off some pro features. If not, you might have, it will give you the option to download with watermark. So depends on you. So you can just use the free packages that Canva video editor has to give you. So that's how to do that. So also, if you want to preview your video before you export, you can select this play icon at the top, so you'll be able to play your video to know what it looks like. So that's where to play your video and preview it. So the more you create videos, the more you get better, the more you improve your skills. So there are lots of brands out there that don't know how to do this thing I just showed you here, and they've not discovered this idea. So it's an opportunity for you to grab this offer and make lots of money creating professional videos for people. Yes, you can start creating professional videos for people and make tons of money from this. So just by simply practicing, look for video outside and replicate them. Try to create something that look like them, and from there you get better. So thank you. The class has come to an end. All right, bye.